Australian banks have started adopting generative AI quite rapidly. And now ANZ Bank, which is one of the largest four banks in Australia, have started seriously using generative AI use cases within their own teams. ANZ Banking Group has now formally sanctioned a team to explore generative AI to augment its code testing capabilities as well as to explore deeper potential use cases. The bank has roughly 4,000 software engineers with seize opportunities to use generative AI to improve the efficiency, reliability, and performance of its code. Their chief technology officer, Tim Hogarth, has said in the media that generative AI has a range of potential benefits for their bank and the broader industry. So I believe that they are simply experimenting with generative AI right now, but it won't be long before they implement it for serious use cases. And I think they'll be meeting it in every technology implementation within the bank, of course, with the strict controls as per Australians' compliance. And Tim Hogarth has also said previously that um, he was not there to speculate on the use cases, but for the serious implementation. And now they have formally sanctioned the team, as I mentioned earlier, and that is mainly geared towards software engineering and code applications. And I think they'll be using something like ChatGPT or similar tooling in generative AI to aid in code productivity. So, and I think their most focus is on unit testing because that is where they see big change in identifying bugs and errors earlier in the development process. And I think they will also be looking at validating code against strict standards and rules because as I know that at ANZ they have really good comprehensive policies which still require some humans to read and understand the policies around codes. And I think when their code review is done, as is the case with industry standard, they need to follow a strict guideline. So I believe this code augmentation with generative AI is going to benefit them tremendously. And more importantly, once these big four banks in Australia like ANZ, Westpac, CBA, they start using generative AI, I think the rest will follow suit very quickly. So I believe generative AI is here to stay in Australia, and it will be the way forward from now on. I hope that this was useful. If you have any further insight into this, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.